Hey guys, I was just looking at a webinar funnel from Clickfunnels, and I was like, hey, I have pages now. Let me see if I can basically duplicate what they did in Clickfunnels, FastPages, and I'm just going to take you through what I was able to do. And again, I didn't, go through this verbatim because I'm not going to use it, so I didn't want to waste all the time and all the fine details. But I just want to show you I can get the same look and feel using FastPages at a fraction of the cost of Clickfunnels. So check it out. So what I'm going to do is, there's a site that I saw that was done in Clickfunnels, and so I just want to show you how simple it is to save you guys some money. There's a site called FastPages.io. I've showed you how to do landing pages in Wix and different sites like that, but I'm going to try this in FastPages. I have a one-time fee that I paid, so I have lifetime access to this program. So we're going to do a quick test here, and this will be the first one that I actually attempted to duplicate in FastPages. So I'm looking at this ClickFunnels site. I see one section here, a section here, and then there's another section there. He's got like a little headline. He's got a video there. I don't know if that's YouTube or not, but anyway, I got some text, a button, and we're gonna see if we can't duplicate this. So let's see what happens. Alright, so the first thing, let's get our page set up. I'm just gonna start with a blank. There's different ones you can start with. Like, that's probably like a webinar one. That's pretty close. Let's see if there's anything else that looks similar before I start from scratch. Sometimes I just like to start from scratch. I can just maneuver quicker. That's not bad. A newsletter. Let's see what the course looks like. It's not bad. I'm gonna start from scratch just to show you how easy this is. ClickFunnels. Copy. Alright, so you start with a blank page. Okay, so I need to put a section in. Let's go for a section. Alright, there's a blank section. Bam. Okay. I need to add another section. Blank section. Bam. And another section. Alright, so I got 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll take this section here. So this is the content that you put inside of this section. So if I want to add like a header or something, I could go to here. There's different headers you can choose. So I don't think I need that. Let's look at covers. That's what I need. I need a cover. Alright, so I'm scrolling. Man, that's pretty close right there. Let's grab that. Bam. It's not far off. So I was just figuring this out a little bit. So what I did, I created sections, and so I just created a little header section here. They just had text with a highlighter behind it, but you can easily just make that a new section, change the color, play around with the text. So as you can see, I was just messing around, just fooling around just to see that I could do it. So I got, the placeholder for the video here. So I copy some of this text here so you can kind of see how that's set up. I can always play with the size of this if I want to make it bigger. I can easily change the size of the video if I want it larger. If I want to say 100%, there we go. That'll fill that out. And then I got another section here. So what I did there, I grabbed a section and then I grabbed one that was 4. So I said just add me a new blank section. So if you say blank section and then you say I want 4, it makes it into 4. And then all I did was just add icon text. So as you can see, it gives you icon and text, and then you can go into the icon and actually change that. And so this next icon is like, okay, it's a group of people. So if I just type in people, or see person maybe, team, group. Let's just see if I can find something similar. Again, you guys are looking at this real time because I haven't really built a lot into this, but I'm definitely going to use it moving forward on my one-off like landing pages. So if I just type let's see, thought I saw one with a group of people, maybe a network or something. Yeah. I'll grab something like that for now. What else do they have? Following spots, and then here you can put icon. Guess you could do image and text. Yeah, so that works. So now I can just pick an image, load that in. Do the same thing here, image. Then I would add text below it. And that's basically what they did here. I'm just showing you the rough sketch. I'm not going to build this whole thing out because I'm not going to use this, but alright, so now they got a whole nother section here. I will copy this text. I can actually add a new section. Let's see, hold up before I do that. Let's see, it's got a text on the top and then it's got 3 sections. So what I would do, I could grab a blank section and then I'll add another section just to make it simple. Oops. Just add another section and I'll make that how many? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Make that 1, 2, 3. And then I go over here into sections and I can move that up. As you can see, it tells you which ones you're highlighting. So I just grab that, move it up, and there we go. And then I can add my text. That's where I will paste my text. Center that. And once you build these out, I mean, once you save your style, your template, you're good. And you can just go back and edit it. That's the cool thing about it. Let's see what else you got. 1, 2, 3. So those are like little tables. So what would that look like? So the whole thing is, all this is like a gray background. So I can change the color. EA. Alright. That's done. I can go in here and change the padding. So if I want less padding, shrink that down some. Shrink that down. Okay. Same thing here, change the padding. I'm gonna shrink it. Alright, and then, so in order to get that other view, I need to, let's see, icon, text, spacer. So I basically need text. Maybe add another text. Now, one thing I know is you can't do is like put a background color behind the text. So if I want to make a little table, how would that look? Let's see. There's going to be a little bit of variation, but for the most part, you can still get what you want. So I can bold that, center it. Oops. Center. There we go. Center. Okay. Now I just need to be able to get the graphic behind that. So let me go and play with another section. I'm gonna add a whole blank, a new set. Let's just come down here and add a section just for testing. Let's see, pricing. That's not what I'm looking for. People. I'm looking for one that has that little header above it. Text. Features. This is close, but it still doesn't have that. That would have been pretty close though. I could have just grabbed the features one. This is close. Let's see if it'll let me do that. And then if I just delete that image out. Let's see. I don't know if I can add text above that or not. Yeah, well, I guess you could just do that instead of that. You could just have a little image, and then you can edit. Oh. Move the images around. Delete the call to action. Hey, smooth that up. Come on. There we go. That'll work. Grab that, move it to the top. Delete the image. Something like that would work. Delete that out. And do something like that. Change this out here. Copy this. So hopefully this is making sense. And then the text below it. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Really don't need these. And there you have it. And go in here, clean these up a little bit. Even theirs are not all the same height, see? So there's nothing wrong there. What else are we missing? And then a big button. So I'll just add another section. Let's see, blank section. I just want to see if there's anything before I do that. You gotta remember to scroll because sometimes you might overlook features, footers. There's only one footer, a header, covers. This cover is pretty close. I don't know if I can make that. Let me grab that just to see if it works. Okay, so I just don't need the image in the background. So I don't know how you clear the image. I guess you could just change the color. And I'm just testing this out for the first time, but anyway. So you can customize and make it look a little bit more like you want it to look. Change the padding. You delete that. Now you got a button. Delete that. Format this button. Yeah, so there you go. So you can change the button. You can make it full width. And then let's see. I'm just clicking away, guys. Then you gotta change the color of the button. Get that green color. Guess it was green. Yeah, a little bit more greenish. Alright, so that's that, and then they have like a little bit white around it. The only thing I'm missing is the padding around it. So let's see. How can I change that? It's gotta be a padding setting. Size, normal, large. Alignment, length, color. Anything below the button? No. Oh. So I guess you could add some text above it if you really serious about the text there. You can just change that to white. It's just a workaround. But there you go. Now it's all centered. Alright, so we got that. Again, I'm just really crude. Just going fast. But you can see I just basically built out the same thing they did in Clickfunnels. So if you're just getting Clickfunnels to do this, you know, getting a pop-up, you know, we can add a link there. Add a pop-up. And you can modify all of that stuff right there if you want. So boom. So now, just to respect your time, I'm gonna add just the footer back. So I'm gonna add a footer. Bam. Footer's there. I can flip this, put it in the center. If I don't want that, I can change that. And what have you. So that's basically it, guys. I recreated that. Again, you can change this stuff, but you can pretty much make whatever you want. you can copy this. I mean, this is a matter of changing font colors. You know what I'm saying? It's not rocket science. You can highlight all this text. You don't, if you think it's too small, make it a little larger. You can go bigger, huge, whatever you want to do. Huge. If you're in upstate New York, you'll know what that's about. But all right, put that back to default. And there you have it, my friends. Play around with this a little bit more. Play with the stuff here, and then I can change that background. If I want to play with this a little bit, see, I can make that red. That really makes it stand out. I can get it just like they had it, the same colors, just a little bit of highlight, and there you have it. My wife is in there watching a movie, so hopefully it doesn't mess with my copyrights. But all right, and there you have it. So now all I need to do is publish. So I'll click over here, publish project, and I can actually change the name of it. So if I want to call this webinar, webinar 101, that's saved. Yeah, so just like they got their name .clickfunnels, you know, check this out. Voila. I just need to load a video in there, but basically I hope you can see what you can accomplish. I need to take that out. I had an extra footer in there, and that's simple. I just go back in here. I go back to editor, and I'll go down to the section I don't want to keep anymore. Go to sections, scroll down to the one that needs to go, which is this one. Let's see, so as you mouse over, it tells you which one you're on. So I'm on that, hit the delete button, and it's gone. Gesture features, what's that? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, I had it in there twice. So I would go here, here. I'll get rid of that. Here, I'll get rid of that. And this was that section here. Copy that. Paste it in. Make it larger. Is that big enough? I'll make it a little bit bigger. You can also, use your headings too. So if you understand headings, you can do all that stuff. And that's it. And I can publish that again. And then I will refresh and everything should be updated. There you have it. FastPages. Check it out. Just in case if you're wondering how to get the video in there, so you basically click on that for link, and then you can just hit paste. If you got a YouTube video or whatever, I just stuck Clickfunnels in there just for the fun of it. And then all I do now is just publish. And then I'll refresh this here. And voila. So basically I was just actually able to duplicate a Clickfunnels type funnel page, fraction of the cost, using FastPages.